So I'm just going in with the eyeshadow base to help my eyeshadow stay on a lot longer. I'm going to use a lime green color on the crease area and blending upwards. And it looks like it's yellow, but it's lime green. Now I'm going in with a medium green color and I'm taking it right under that lime green. And I'm going in windshield wiper motions, also going towards the end of the eye to create a nice V-lip. Now I'm spraying with the setting spray and adding my sparkly gold color on the eyelid and just patting into the skin. Now I'm going back in with a darker green and also a little bit of black just to kind of smoky it out a bit. And I'm just lightly blending it. Now I'm just going in the lower lash line with the dark green and a little bit of the black. I'm just working on some eyeliner. I'm doing little strokes, and it's easier to do smaller strokes, but you don't have to. I mean, different strokes, different both. But, you know, just take your time and try to get as precise as possible. We try and get it sharp. Then curl your lashes and apply some mascara. I'm also putting some highlight in the inner corner and right under the brow bone just to add a little bit of a highlight. Now I'm going to do my lashes. And bam. There we go with this eye look. So it's time for me to put on the rest of my makeup. And there you have it. We have this nice little green smoky eye look. And just gonna change really quick. Bam. So now I'm ready to go into work, get this bread. Our theme day was money, so you know, money team, trying to get this money. Okay. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.